Good morning. Welcome back to the second lecture in my lecture series, Chemistry in the Age of AI, the Future of Drug Discovery and Design. I'm Shifana Sinu, and today we will dive deeper into how AI is specifically impacting the heart of drug discovery, molecular design, clinical trials, and accelerating the development of new therapeutic agents. To start, let's ask a simple but critical question. How can AI fundamentally change the way we discover and develop new drugs? When you think about the traditional process of drug discovery, it is an intricate dance between scientists in the lab, trial and error experiments, and countless clinical tests. The old ways of doing things are often slow, costly, and fraught with uncertainties. But what if we could speed up the process? What if we could design better molecules, predict their effects in real life, and simulate clinical trials in a fraction of the time? That is exactly where AI is making a profound impact. Let's begin with molecule design, which is at the core of drug discovery. In the past, chemists would typically create and test compounds one by one using their knowledge and intuition to guide their choices. But as we know, human intuition alone isn't always reliable when it comes to predicting the interactions between complex molecular structures. Now, AI, specifically machine learning and deep learning, which allows us to harness the power of data to predict the behavior of molecules before they are even synthesized. Imagine an AI system that is fed millions of data points, learning the intricate relationships between molecular structures and biological activity. This system doesn't just memorize information, it understands the patterns, making it capable of predicting which new molecules might have the desired therapeutic effects. AI helps to generate molecular candidates based on a variety of factors, from molecular weight to solubility to toxicity levels. Once we know the general characteristic we want in a drug, AI can search through a massive chemical space and identify the most promising candidates. This process, called in silicon design, allows chemists to bypass many of the time consuming and expensive steps traditionally required for drug discovery. For example, AI powered tools can predict the 3D structure of molecules, simulate their interaction with the biological targets, and suggest modification to optimize their function. This makes it possible to design drugs with far more precision, tailoring them to interact with the right biological pathways while minimizing side effects. Essentially, AI is transforming drugs design from a trial and error process into one based on data driven precision. Once a promising molecule is identified, the next hurdle is clinical trials. We all know that clinical trials are often the longest, most expensive, and risky part of the drug development process. The vast majority of drug candidates fail during this phase, and even successful drugs can take years to reach the market. AI, however, is reshaping clinical trials in a way we could only dream of a few decades ago. From participant recruitment to data analysis, AI is enabling a new era of efficiency and precision. One of the most significant challenges in clinical trial is finding the right patients, those who will most benefit from the drug being tested. With AI, we can analyze the vast datasets of medical records, genetic profiles, and treatment histories to identify suitable candidates more quickly and accurately than ever before. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also optimize the design of clinical trials themselves. By using predictive models, AI can simulate how a drug will perform across different patient populations, predict potential side effects, and even suggest the best dosing regimen. This helps researchers refine their approach before embarking on costly human trials, reducing both the time and resources needed. Additionally, AI can monitor clinical trial progress in real time, identifying any adverse reaction or anomalies more quickly. This enables researchers to make adjustments faster, ensuring the drugs moves through the trial phase more efficiently and safely. Another area where AI is making a profound impact is in the realm of personalized medicine. By analyzing individual genetic profiles, AI helps identify which patients are most likely to benefit from specific treatments, ensuring that each person receives the best possible therapy. This is particularly crucial in complex diseases like cancer, where the genetic makeup of tumors varies greatly from patient to patient. Through techniques like genomic sequencing and biomarker identification, AI can uncover patterns in a patient's DNA that correlate with the drug response. This means that instead of prescribing the same drug to a large population, physicians can choose the best treatment for each individual, increasing the likelihood of success and minimizing potential side effects. In addition, AI can help uncover hidden therapeutic agents by analyzing molecular data across various biological systems. By identifying biomarkers that indicate a drug's effectiveness, AI can expedite the process of discovering new treatments that may have been overlooked in traditional research methods. AI is also revolutionizing the field of drug repurposing, finding new uses for existing medications. Traditional drug development is time consuming and expensive, but repurposing drugs already approved for other conditions can be a much faster route to market. With AI, researchers can analyze vast amounts of clinical and molecular data to find novel indications for old drugs. AI algorithm can search for patterns in how different diseases interact with the same biological pathways, leading to the identification of potential new treatments for a wide range of conditions. AI powered platforms are already being used to repurpose drugs for diseases like Alzheimer's, cancer, and even rare genetic disorders. These tools dramatically reduce the time needed to discover new uses for existing medications, potentially saving lives by effective treatment into the hands of patients much more quickly. As we look to the future, it is clear that AI will continue to drive innovation in drug discovery and development. But it is also important to recognize that while AI is a powerful tool, it is not a magic bullet. There are still challenges to overcome, from refining AI models to ensuring the quality and diversity of datasets. We also must tackle issues of data privacy, ethics, and bias, ensuring that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accessible. The future of AI in drug discovery is incredibly exciting. As AI continues to evolve, we will see even faster drug development timelines, better targeted therapies, and a more personalized approach to healthcare. The collaboration between chemistry and technology has been more promising, and as researchers, we stand on the cusp of a new era where AI powered drug discovery could revolutionize the way we treat diseases. In our next lecture, we will explore the role of big data in drug discovery, how massive data sets are being used to train AI models, how they are collected, and the importance of clean, high quality data in driving success. Thank you for joining me in this second lecture, and I look forward to continuing this discussion as we dive deeper into the evolving landscape of AI in drug discovery. Until then, keep thinking about how technology and chemistry can work in hand to unlock the future of medicine.